Hello guys, welcome back to this course to learn Flutter application development. In the previous video we have created this function here, as you can see, registered function, and this function is used to authenticate the user by email and password. And before that we have created this function, upload function. This function is used for to get the profile image of user. So in this video we are going to save the data of user into our database. So for that, what we have to do, we have to write one function so that we can save the data of user in our firebase file store. So for that, let's create a function. So give name void save data, save user data, users data, and this will be name of function, and then round brackets, curly brackets, and inside this we will create map like types of array in Dart. So map, and then map will be string dynamic, and the name of this map, I mean, you can say like array name or something like other language, PHP something. So in Dart, map is like a type of array and we will store all the data in this. So the map name will be users data and equal be to all these which we are going to create here. Put here semicolon like this. The first data will be we are going to get username. Username will be underscore name controller dot text dot trim, comma, next data will be UID, user ID, I mean user ID, this one, comma, then third data is user phone and it will be underscore phone controller dot text dot trim, comma, then the other one is profile image, so it will be get user image URL, this one. Now after this we have to get one more things, time, so that we can see what time user has been registered or filled his or her information. So for that, write here time, and time will be date time, so date time dot now, date time dot now, comma. Now we are getting all these data to our database. So for that we have to do one more thing here. So after this, write here firebase firestore, firebase firestore, firebase firestore dot instance dot collection, and collection name will be, let's give name collection users in between these inverted commas like this. So dot user, users, then dot doc, and doc will be user ID, and after the specifically ID for every user, and inside this user variable we will saving the user specific user ID of all users, like any user has special his or her special ID specifically. So here dot set, and we are going to set this u variable user data. So here we will set this users data and put here semicolon. That's all. Now here we are getting all these data, and then we will save inside this, and then if for specific ID for every user, and then this is our, we are set the data specifically to user data variable. Now what we have to do, we have to pass this variable above here in upload registered function, I mean. So before this catch error and after this name under control, let's pass this. So here save user data like this and semicolon, and come down here. You will see here registered button on our UI design. You will see here, where is it? It is here, registered. So where is on press? On press is here. You can see here we have this elevated button. Inside this elevated button we have the text register. So here when user will press this button, registered button, so we are going to register user, so we have to pass here upload function, so that we can register the user and can save the data into our database. Put semicolon like this. Now here is everything okay. We have created all functions. So let me revise you what I did here. First of all, we have created this function. This is for choose image from phone gallery. Then after that we are uploading the profile image. This is the for profile image function upload, and we are going to here register the user also, and this is our registered function. We are authenticating the user by email and password. And then after this we have here catch error. If something goes wrong, so the error will display something went wrong. And then if current user not equal to null, so we are sending the user to that product page. I mean, it's if the user already registered and logged in, so again we don't want login the user, so he or she will be directly to product page. So after that we are saving here data which we will store in our database, username, user id, user phone, everything. And then we have created the instance here, users, user specific id and user data. Now come back to the main dot. Here we have to do something. So first of all, before this void, write here feature and make this like this here, feature void main, and this async here like this. Write async here, this, and after this let's do visits fluttering binding dot ensure initialized like this. And after this what we have to do, await firebase 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 dot initialize. First of all let's import this here. So import firebase core, this is first one, firebase core dot this one, and then again write here firebase dot initialize app like this. So now we have to ready to check our application it's working or not. So let's open our phone screen and let's fill some information and see. Press here on this play button here and let's see it's working or not. So play this, open our phone, and let's wait it to reassemble it and assemble debugging. It will take some few seconds, so we have to wait for that. And guys, you can see now we are on our welcome screen, sorry, splash screen, now on welcome screen. Now if I click on registered here, this button, we want to register user, so click on it. Now let's select this profile image and let's select this and then put here name, let's name Ali, next email, advertise this one, let's give phone number, any randomly phone, and password like this 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then press registered button here, this one. And as you can see guys, we have successfully, this dialog box is saying please wait, so it's working fine. And after this we will go to our product page, you can see, and this page we have provided here, as you can see here guys, this one. If current user is not equal to null, so we are sending user to product page, which is we are right now. So let's see our database, so that we will see our database is saving or not. So come back here in Firebase File Store, and this is our furniture app project name, and refresh it. And as you can see, we have this advertise public gmail.com, and this is user ID, authentication ID, and authentication email. And let's see if Firebase file database, here click here, and you can see guys, users, this is our collection and specific user ID, and this is our data, time is right now, and this is profile image, this is username, user phone. So yeah, it's working perfect and very good. So guys, in the next video we will start working on product page, so that we can design our product page. And this is our these are all our functions for saving data, and it's saving correctly, there is no issue. So guys, thank you for watching this video, see you in the next video, bye bye.